Candace. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to be unboxing the June BoxyLuxe box from BoxyCharm. This is the quarterly upgrade subscription box, and I am so excited. This box is so heavy. It weighs in at 3.8 pounds, so I am like, what did they put in here that's almost 4 pounds worth? So we're going to see what is in this box. While I go ahead and open it, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click the notification bell if you want to be notified of my other unboxings. And let's see what we got. The theme for this month is Oasis, and I am variation 8. Right on top, I see a palette from Tarte. This is an Amazonian clay palette. Oh my gosh, I love Tarte. If you guys have watched any of my videos, you will know that I love Tarte. Ooh, the top of mine is pretty scuffed. This palette is so lovely. Oh my goodness. This is a 20 pan Tarte palette. This is an Amazonian clay Tarteist palette. This palette is gorgeous. It has something for everybody. It's neutral, but yet there's pops of colors. There's tons of mattes, and there's a few shimmer shades to accent any of your looks. This is amazing. I don't know how much this is in retail. Like, this retail alone has to be a ton of money, right? So this right here is the price of the whole box. This is $49. So this is like the price of the whole BoxyLuxe box. Okay, this palette is gorgeous. Okay. Next thing I have is a beat up box. This is how it came, but they are brushes, so I am not going to be mad at that. These are these are $1 billion brows, not to be confused with million. These are $1 billion brow brushes, you guys. These look amazing, and oh, are they ever soft? Oh my goodness gracious. They don't feel cheap at all. They're lightweight, but they actually feel really well made, and oh my gosh, this feels... Okay, this is so soft. Getting brushes. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So a 5 brush set, gorgeous brush set from $1 Billion Brows. I can stop now. This box is amazing. Okay. This is by Bodyography, and this is a lip pencil. Oh, it says 2-pack. Ooh, this one's pretty. Whoa, okay, so we have a 2-pack lip pencil by Bodyography. Pouty, which is more of like a dusty rose pinkish color. And then we have Rosewood, which is definitely more of a reddish tone. Reddish purpley, still really, really pretty. This is my choice item, a water bottle. Oh, this is the one I wanted. Oh my gosh, this is the one I wanted. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this can keep stuff hot and cold. I thought this was just for cold. I have been trying to push my hydration, so this will really help me because I'll be like, look, it's so cute with my little bottle. Okay, thank you. Loving it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm just like everywhere. So the next item is from Lily Lashes, and I believe this was a choice item, but I picked Surprise Me, so this is probably what they just surprised me with. It does have a strong chemically smell. I love using my Tarte mascara because, like I said in the past, my eyes have been getting really irritated lately, and I think it's because of like allergies and everything, so this has a pretty strong chemical smell. I don't know if I'll be able to use it, but really nice, just regular wand, and it looks really super black, so I will try it, and if it irritates my eyes, then I will have to just not use it. Okay, there's still more in here, you guys. What is this? Okay, Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. What do we have here? Ooh, a foaming face wash. I used to hate getting face washes in my boxes, but now I absolutely love it because I don't ever have to like go and buy a face wash. I have tons. I have like one for each bathroom, and oh, it's so nice. So this is a foaming one. It's like a pump foaming kind. Ooh, it's infused with kiwi seed oil and packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and elasticity. Cool. Ooh, it foams up really well even without water. Look at that. It doesn't really have much of a smell. No smell. Oh my god. I got a BB cream in Lux. Yes, this is by Purelisse, and it is a BB cream, like I said, and it has 30 SPF. Yes, let's see. This is gonna be my color. It might be a little bit light, but I will use it because I will just darken it up. No, it's actually perfectly fine. And it smells good. It's like almost like a tint of just suntan lotion. Okay, so this is a sleeping mask from Pure Hearts. I have never heard of this brand. So, oh, and it comes with its own little spoon. Okay, Propolis 80 sleeping mask. This smells like a fancy salon. And I also received a coupon, so if you want to use my coupon code, you can go ahead and do that. For $5 off of Kylie Skin, use Boxy5 at checkout. Personally, I feel like this is such a well-rounded box. I think BoxyCharm did an amazing job curating my BoxyLuxe box. First of all, it starts with hydrating, making sure that my insides are hydrated. Then they are making sure that I have clean skin. I can sleep well with my face mask to make sure that my face is getting all the love that it needs, and like being able to receive all these amazing makeup products, not to mention the brush set, which is phenomenal. I can tell already it's so amazing. Like, I just feel like they did such a great job curating this. Like, I love my box. I'm so blessed. I feel like so excited, like it's my birthday or something. So yeah, I'm super pumped. I love my box. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the value of my box. I know it is a lot. I'm sure this box is worth a ton. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert the value somewhere on the screen for you guys so you have that information. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe, I'll have a link in the description box below. It's a referral link. So that's everything that I have for you. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget, you guys, to please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. And until we meet again, ciao Bella!